This is the helpful tutorial guide.
Okay folks, I'm making this video to help you out here. Windows 7, 8, or 10. You're trying to reload the Windows and you get this error that you see right here. Setup was unable to create a new system partition or locate an existing system partition. See the setup log files for more information. Okay folks, you get a bunch of computer gurus on here that's trying to walk you through the hard way of getting by all this. They'll have you pulling the command prompt out, partitioning things, assigning drive letters and all that stuff, folks. They're going way and just doing way too much, folks. All you got to do, this is real simple. You have a mass confusion going on, and what it is all your card readers, flash card readers, your SD card readers, all of that. You probably have one that doesn't plug in one group of wires. You have one that has about 4 or 5 sets of wires plugged into your motherboard, which is given a drive letter to each and every single one of those card readers. So what you need to do is unplug your computer, unplug every single flash card reader group of wires from your computer, plug it back in. Now go back and reload Windows and you won't have any issues at all. Once you get it reloaded, plug the computer back, unplug the computer again, plug all your card reader drives back into the motherboard, and it'll assign them drive letters that's not the C drive. And that's all you gotta do, folks. Real simple. You ain't gotta use no command prompt or do all that stuff. Where they come up with all that crap, who knows. But anyhow, I made it easy for you there, folks. Easy get around. Hope that was a blessing to you. Bye, y'all.